Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 Nissan Versa S with the 5-speed manual. Very, very rare to see any of these in the manual, but here we have one. Actually, it's pretty good. One of the best subcompact manuals I've ever driven. Total price on this one, $16,260 with a base price of $14,930. Not bad rear seat space for the segment. Gunmetal metallic, I think is the color name, over charcoal. Backup sensors, which is pretty rare to find and something this cheap, honestly. This is one of the cheapest new cars on sale in the US. So let's just put that in perspective once you see the interior and how it drives. And you'll realize how much of a bargain this really is. 1.6 liter dual overhead head cam, 4-cylinder, 5-speed manual. Let's step on in. Seats are nice and comfortable. Interior is very, very nice. Still have a touch screen. This is actually extremely fun to drive. Do have an automatic option, which is actually a CVT, so. Shifter itself, really, really nice actions. Has a good amount of heft to it. Clutch pedal, very, very light, but easy to modulate. Alright. I wasn't sure if I revved it or the car did, but I did. I think first gear is no synchro. Well, no, obviously it has a synchro, but it sounds like a straight cut gear. That's awesome. Do have hill start assist as well. Again, did not expect to find that on this car. Now, this car competes with cars like the Kia Rio, even a little bit of the Kia Soul too. And I like this a lot better than the Rio, especially since you can get this one in a manual, which just makes this car a lot more lively. And even with only a 1.5 liter, No turbo or anything. This thing has plenty of get up and go. Lane departure warning too, man. For 16 grand, you get lane departure warning, backup sensors, everything. This thing is loaded. I thoroughly believe this is one of the best cars under $20,000. This thing is phenomenal. What an awesome car, guys. Just the fact that you can get this $16,000 sticker price. I mean, come on. I'm not sure if you can get the new Sentra in the manual. I know you could get the previous gen, but I think this is the first Nissan manual I've ever driven, and it is phenomenal. Of course, I don't know if this 5-speed is an in-house made gearbox or if it's outsourced, but anyway, it is good. Oh wow, turning circle is phenomenal. This thing is perfect for around town driving. It is just absolutely a peach of a car. Now let's go ahead and see how it does when you put one of the wheels on snow and ice. Little bit of slippage, but not bad. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.